A guy in Texas bought an $1,800 machine, parked it near a weekend market, and cleared $2,300 in his first month. He had no business experience, no warehouse, no investors, and that exact machine is sitting at number 1 on this list. Right now, ordinary people are running real businesses from garages and driveways, using machines you can buy online and start using this week. Not theories, not courses, actual physical products that people buy every single day. In this video, I am breaking down 16 of these machines, what they cost, what they realistically earn, and who buys from you. One of them can replace a full-time salary on its own. If you want links or full details on where to get these machines, just comment "I'm ready" and I'll share the complete list with you. Let's begin.
This video is for educational and informational purposes only. All videos, discussions, and demonstrations about business machines, investments, or related topics are not financial advice.
Number 1. Soft Serve Ice Cream Machine. The first machine wins purely on emotion and foot traffic, and that combination is hard to beat. This machine takes a pre-mixed liquid base and continuously churns out smooth, cold, consistently swirled ice cream on demand. No complicated prep, no cooking. You pour in the mix, flip the switch, and serve. Entry-level machines start around $1,800. Higher capacity commercial units run up to $3,500. Even the basic model is enough to serve real paying customers from day one. Your main ongoing cost is the ice cream mix, which stays under $1 per serving when bought in bulk. Electricity is manageable even across long operating hours. Each cone realistically sells for $2 to $5. On a busy day in a high traffic location, 150 to 300 servings is achievable. That puts daily revenue between $300 and $1,200. Monthly, a consistent operator in a good spot can clear $8,000 to $20,000. The upper range requires premium placement and peak season conditions, so start with realistic expectations and scale from there. Best locations: weekend markets, school events, parks, beach areas, and sports tournaments. Any place where families gather with cash in their pockets. Number 2. Desktop CNC Plasma Cutter. Most small metal workshops turn away custom cutting jobs because they lack precision equipment. That gap is your entry point. This machine reads a digital design file and cuts through steel, aluminum, and other metals with clean, repeatable accuracy. You load the file, clamp the sheet, and the torch does the rest. What used to take hours of manual grinding comes out in minutes, with sharp edges and exact dimensions. Entry models start around $800. More stable commercial versions run $2,000 to $3,000. The basic model handles real client orders from the start. Operating costs include metal sheets, occasional torch consumables, and electricity, all of which stay manageable when buying materials in volume. Custom cut pieces realistically sell for $15 to $80 each, depending on size and complexity. A small operation producing 15 to 40 pieces daily can generate $225 to $2,000 per day. Monthly income with a steady client base can range from $6,000 to $35,000. Your buyers are metal workshops, sign fabricators, gate makers, construction contractors, and repair shops. One reliable client who needs weekly custom parts is worth more than dozens of one-off jobs. Number 3. Empanada Making Machine. Speed and consistency are what separate a profitable food business from an exhausting one. This machine solves both. This machine automatically presses dough, drops in filling, and seals each piece in seconds. The output is uniform, clean, and ready to cook. Once you load the machine, it runs continuously without needing constant attention. These machines cost $350 to $900 depending on size and output speed. Even smaller models produce commercial-level volume for local supply. Ingredients like dough, meat, cheese, and vegetables are your main costs. Electricity is low, and bulk food prep keeps margins predictable. A single machine produces 600 to 1,000 empanadas per hour, selling at $1 to $3 each. A solid production day generates $300 to $1,500. Monthly, a consistent operation supplying multiple buyers can reach $6,000 to $25,000. Strong buyers include restaurants, food trucks, school cafeterias, catering companies, and frozen food suppliers. Weekly bulk orders from even 2 or 3 steady clients create reliable recurring income. Number 4. Mini plastic injection molding machine. Broken plastic parts are everywhere, and most repair shops cannot source replacements fast enough. That is a gap this machine fills directly. This machine melts plastic pellets, injects them into a mold, and forms identical solid parts in seconds. Handles, clips, lids, and small components come out clean and ready to use. The molds are reusable, which means production cost per unit drops significantly over time. Entry models cost around $600. More advanced versions reach $1,500. Even the basic model produces market-ready parts from the start. Plastic pellets are cheap in bulk. Electricity usage is low. Once molds are made, ongoing production costs stay predictable. A batch of custom parts can generate $50 to $300 depending on demand. With steady clients, monthly income can realistically reach $5,000 to $20,000, particularly when producing discontinued or hard-to-source components that repair shops cannot find elsewhere. Your buyers are appliance repair shops, electronics technicians, hardware stores, maintenance services, and small manufacturers. These clients are repeat buyers by nature because breakages keep happening. Number 5. Food cart. No lease, no fixed address, no waiting for customers to find you. You go where they already are. A food cart is a mobile cooking station built for speed and flexibility. You position it at a location with existing foot traffic, fire up the grill, and start serving. The visibility of live cooking does the marketing for you. Smell, smoke, and sound attract attention better than any sign. Basic carts start around $1,500. More fully equipped versions with better storage and cooking setups run up to $3,000. Food ingredients, gas or electricity, and supplies are your ongoing costs. Buying in bulk keeps margins strong. A well-placed cart at a consistent location generates $200 to $600 per day. At events like concerts, markets, and sports days, that number can exceed $1,000. Monthly income for a dedicated operator working 5 to 6 days per week can reach $6,000 to $18,000. Strong locations include street corners near offices, construction zones, night markets, festivals, and weekend events. Location consistency matters more than location perfection. Showing up at the same spot builds a customer base faster than chasing one-off events. Number 6. Rotary screen printing machine. A single custom clothing order rarely stops at one. Schools, businesses, and sports teams come back every season, and that repeat cycle is where this machine earns. This machine applies ink onto fabric with sharp, consistent results across large batches. You align the screen, load the garment, and each piece comes out identical. Multicolor designs, logos, and graphics all print cleanly at production speed. Entry kits start around $500. More complete setups with additional screens and accessories can reach $1,200. Ink and blank garments are your main costs. Both get cheaper per unit as order size grows. Each printed item can generate $5 to $15 profit depending on design complexity and order size. Daily production income can range from $200 to $800. Monthly income with consistent clients can reach $5,000 to $20,000. Strong buyers include schools, sports teams, local businesses, event organizers, and online custom merchandise stores. Corporate uniform contracts are especially valuable because they repeat every year without extra sales effort. If you are getting value from this, make sure to subscribe, because more hidden machines and real business ideas are coming that can change how you think about income. Number 7. Small industrial food dehydrator. Fresh food spoils. Dehydrated food lasts months, commands higher prices, and ships without refrigeration. That changes the entire economics of food production. This machine circulates warm air evenly across trays of fruits, vegetables, herbs, and meat, slowly removing moisture while preserving flavor and nutritional value. What comes out is shelf-stable, lightweight, and ready for packaging. These machines cost around $400 for smaller units. Larger capacity models reach $1,000. Raw produce, packaging materials, and electricity are your main costs. Buying seasonal fruit in bulk dramatically lowers cost per unit. A consistent daily batch can generate 50 to 250 profit depending on the product and where you sell it. Monthly income with steady distribution can reach $4,000 to $15,000. Strong buyers include health stores, gyms, organic markets, online snack shops, and restaurants that use dried ingredients in their kitchens. Dehydrated products also sell well at farmers markets because the shelf-stable format appeals to customers who do not want to use everything immediately. Number 8. Mini lathe. Large factories do not rush small custom orders. That slowness is exactly why repair shops, woodworkers, and maintenance services will pay you to deliver fast. A mini lathe spins wood, aluminum, or soft plastic, while a cutting tool shapes it into precise cylindrical components. Handles, spacers, rods, and small mechanical parts come out clean and ready to use. The machine is compact enough for a small workshop or garage. Entry models cost around $300. Higher quality versions run up to $800. Your ongoing costs are raw materials like wood blocks and aluminum rods, plus electricity. Waste is minimal with simple part designs. Each custom part sells for $10 to $50. Daily earnings for a steady operator range from $150 to $600. Monthly income can reach $4,000 to $14,000 with repeat clients. Your buyers are repair workshops, furniture makers, local mechanics, hardware stores, and industrial maintenance teams. Clients who find a reliable supplier for fast custom parts rarely switch to someone else. Number 9. Fresh pasta production machine. Restaurants charge more for fresh pasta. They also pay more for it. That premium is what makes this machine work. This machine rolls and cuts dough into spaghetti, fettuccine, lasagna sheets, and tagliatelle in minutes. The output looks handmade, has a soft, fresh texture, and cooks faster than dried alternatives. Restaurants and food retailers pay a premium, specifically because it signals quality to their own customers. Small machines start at $250. Commercial-grade versions reach $700. Flour, eggs, and packaging are your main costs. Ingredients are inexpensive in bulk, and electricity use stays low. Each packaged portion generates $2 to $5 profit. A small daily operation supplying multiple clients can reach $150 to $500 daily income. Monthly, that scales to $4,000 to $15,000 with consistent buyers. Strong buyers include Italian restaurants, hotels, catering companies, grocery stores, and farmers market customers. A weekly supply agreement with even 2 or 3 restaurants gives you predictable income without constant selling. Number 10. Plastic micro-recycling mill. Factories need raw plastic material constantly. Most of it gets thrown away by businesses that have no way to process it. You become the bridge between waste and production input. This machine grinds used plastic bottles, packaging, and offcuts into uniform granules or pellets that manufacturers can feed directly back into their production process. The machine is mechanical and loud, but the output is consistent industrial-grade material. Entry machines cost around $1,000. More powerful versions reach $3,000. Collection, basic cleaning, and electricity are your main costs. The raw input, plastic waste, is often free or nearly free from businesses, warehouses, and recycling collection points. Processed pellets sell for $200 to $600 per ton, depending on plastic type and quality. A small daily operation can generate $100 to $400 profit. Monthly income can reach $3,000 to $12,000, depending on processing volume and buyer relationships. Your buyers are manufacturers of plastic furniture, containers, packaging, and construction materials. Recycling processors also buy consistently. Once you establish a supply relationship, demand is ongoing. Number 11. Chamber vacuum sealer. A food product that lasts 1 week on a shelf is worth less than one that lasts 4. Vacuum sealing is what makes that difference, and small producers will pay you for it. This machine removes nearly all air from a bag before sealing it, dramatically extending shelf life and maintaining food quality during storage and transport. You place the product inside, close the lid, and the machine does the rest in seconds. The sealed result looks professional and retail ready. Entry models cost around $500. Industrial versions reach $1,500. Packaging bags, electricity, and the food products themselves are your main costs. Buying bags in bulk reduces cost per unit significantly. Vacuum sealing, offered as a service to small food producers, generates $1 to $5 per package. With consistent volume clients, monthly income can range from $3,000 to $10,000. Strong clients include butcher shops, small food producers, meal prep businesses, farmers market vendors, and restaurants that want to extend ingredient shelf life. Many small producers lack this equipment and will pay reliably for access to it. Number 12. Wooden utensil machine. Plastic kitchen tools are losing shelf space to natural alternatives. Retailers and consumers are both moving in this direction, and supply is still catching up with demand. This machine carves and shapes wood blocks into spoons, spatulas, handles, and decorative kitchen tools with clean edges and smooth finishes. Each piece comes out ready for minor hand finishing and packaging. Sets of matched utensils sell for significantly more than individual pieces. Machines cost around $500. More advanced models reach $1,200. Raw wood and finishing materials like natural oil or beeswax are your main ongoing costs. Local wood is often affordable and waste is low with simple designs. Individual utensils generate $2 to $10 profit each. Package sets of 4 or 5 pieces command $15 to $40 retail. Daily production income can range from $100 to $400. Monthly earnings can reach $3,000 to $12,000 with steady buyers. Strong buyers include kitchenware stores, gift shops, eco-friendly brands, farmers markets, and online handmade product platforms. Restaurants buying bulk sets for eco-conscious dining are also a growing market. Number 13. Cement tile making machine. Construction demand does not pause. Every new building, renovation, and repair project needs roofing and flooring materials, and local supply is often inconsistent. This machine uses hydraulic pressure to form strong, uniform tiles from cement and sand mixtures. You load the mix, press, and the tiles come out ready for curing. The process is repetitive by design and built for continuous high-volume output. Entry machines cost around $1,200. Higher output models reach $2,500. Cement, sand, and small amounts of additives are your main costs. Bulk buying keeps cost per tile very low. Each tile earns a small margin of 10 to 40 cents. But daily volume is what creates real income. Producing 800 to 1,000 tiles per day generates $100 to $350 daily profit. Monthly income can reach $3,000 to $10,000 with consistent buyers. Strong buyers include hardware stores, construction companies, contractors, and builders. Supplying directly to active building sites removes middlemen and increases your margin. Number 14. Brick making press. Every structure starts with a foundation block. Demand for basic building materials is constant, local, and never seasonal. This machine uses hydraulic compression to form solid, uniform bricks from cement, sand, and water. Output is dense, strong, and suitable for walls, fences, and small construction projects. Semi-automatic models significantly reduce manual labor per brick. Basic machines cost around $800. Semi-automatic versions reach $2,000. Cement, sand, and water are your main inputs. Bulk material sourcing keeps production costs stable. Each brick earns 5 to 20 cents individually, but high daily volume builds meaningful income. Producing 1,000 to 3,000 bricks per day generates $150 to $450 daily profit. Monthly income can range from $4,000 to $13,000. Your buyers are contractors, builders, hardware suppliers, and construction companies. Consistent supply to an active building site creates repeat demand for months at a time. Number 15. Butter maker. Artisanal food products carry a price premium that factory products simply cannot match. Packaging and branding do a significant portion of the selling for you. This machine churns fresh cream into smooth, consistent butter through controlled mixing and fat separation. Add salt, herbs, or garlic, and you move from commodity to specialty product, which commands a meaningfully higher price at every sales channel. Small machines cost around $200. Stainless steel commercial versions reach $600. Fresh cream and optional flavor ingredients are your main costs. Electricity is minimal, and local dairy sourcing often creates good margin with the right buyer relationships. Each kilogram of specialty butter can generate $3 to $8 profit depending on how it is branded and where it is sold. Daily production of 20 to 40 kilograms generates $100 to $300 daily profit. Monthly income can reach $3,000 to $9,000. Strong buyers include organic stores, farmers markets, bakeries, restaurants, and direct household customers. Flavored varieties like garlic herb, smoked salt, or honey create natural repeat purchases from customers who use it regularly. Number 16. Vertical hydroponic system. This one is different from everything else on this list because the machine grows your product for you while you focus on selling it. This system grows plants in stacked layers using nutrient-rich water instead of soil. Lettuce, herbs, spinach, and microgreens grow faster than in traditional soil and produce multiple harvests per month. The system is space-efficient, clean, and designed for controlled indoor environments. Small systems cost around $400. Larger commercial setups reach $1,500. Nutrient solutions, water, electricity for pumps and lighting, and packaging are your main costs. Operating expenses stay significantly lower than traditional farming. A small system generates $200 to $600 monthly profit. Scaled operations with multiple units and consistent buyers can reach $2,000 to $5,000 monthly. Strong buyers include restaurants, hotels, grocery stores, farmers markets, and health-focused customers. Weekly supply contracts with restaurants are particularly valuable because they guarantee recurring income with a single sale conversation. Those are 16 machines. Starting costs range from $200 to $3,500. Daily earning potential ranges from $100 to $2,000 depending on the machine, your location, and how consistently you operate. If I had $1,000 right now and needed to build income within 60 days, I would start with the food cart. Low startup cost, zero dependency on equipment specialization, immediate cash flow, and the ability to test locations before committing to any one spot. But the right machine depends on your skills, your market, and what buyers already exist around you. That last part matters most. A great machine in a market with no buyers earns nothing. Every link and sourcing detail for all 16 machines is in the description below. And if you are serious about building a real income stream from simple ideas like this, then make sure you are subscribed, because this channel is not for viewers who just watch, it is for people who actually build.